Samsung's about to unveil a smartphone that's shaking up the budget market, the Samsung Galaxy M56 5G. But don't let the budget label fool you. This phone brings some jaw-dropping features that will make you rethink what a budget phone can do. From an epic display to a camera setup that'll blow your mind, this phone has the potential to redefine the way we view budget devices. Imagine having a phone that doesn't cut corners on features but doesn't break the bank either. Samsung's latest entry in the M series promises just that top-tier performance, stellar visuals, and battery life that could go toe-to-toe with premium models. The M56 5G is turning heads for a reason, and today, we're diving into every detail to see if it really lives up to the hype. It's no secret that finding the right budget smartphone can be a bit of a headache. You've got to balance affordability, quality, and performance, often settling for less than what you'd ideally want. Samsung's M56 5G takes on this challenge by promising an uncompromising experience at a price point that won't make you wince. But can this device really deliver on all fronts? The M56 5G doesn't play around when it comes to display quality. Samsung has outfitted this device with a 6.71-inch QHD display, an uncommon luxury in this price bracket. This screen offers a crisp 1080 by 1920 resolution, giving you sharp visuals and vivid colors. But that's not all. This display is equipped with a 120Hz refresh rate, which means smoother scrolling, quicker transitions, and an overall buttery feel that enhances everything from gaming to casual browsing. To top it off, Samsung has added Corning Gorilla Glass for durability, so accidental drops won't spell doom for your screen. Plus, the built-in fingerprint sensor enhances security without sacrificing accessibility, giving users peace of mind with a simple tap. What does all this mean in real-world use? Whether you're watching a YouTube video in 4K or scrolling through social media, this screen makes every moment immersive and smooth. Samsung's attention to the visual experience with the M56 5G underscores their goal of delivering a quality experience, even in the budget range. One of the standout features in the M56 5G is its battery. It packs a massive 7,400 mAh battery, a powerhouse compared to many other devices in this category. Let's put it this way, with this kind of battery, you're looking at a full day's worth of use with ease, even if you're streaming videos, scrolling through social media, or taking photos. But Samsung didn't just go big on capacity, they also enhanced convenience with 30-watt fast charging. In practical terms, you're looking at a full charge in about an hour. Gone are the days of being tethered to an outlet for hours. You can go from zero to fully charged while you're getting ready to head out. This combination of a long-lasting battery and quick charging is especially important for people who use their phones heavily throughout the day. Whether you're commuting, working, or traveling, the M56 5G's battery has you covered. Now, let's get to the camera. Arguably one of the most important features for today's smartphone users. Samsung has gone all out here with a 208MP primary camera, setting a high standard for budget phones. This isn't just any camera, it's capable of capturing extremely high-resolution photos that retain fine details, even in low light. But it's not just the main sensor that's impressive. The 8MP ultra-wide lens allows you to capture more of the scene, perfect for landscape shots or group photos. Additionally, there's a 2MP depth sensor that helps achieve those beautiful, blurred backgrounds in portrait mode, giving your photos a professional touch. And if that's not enough, the M56 5G offers 10x zoom and 4K video recording, allowing you to record high-definition videos without missing a single detail. Selfie lovers aren't left out, either. The 16MP front-facing camera delivers quality shots that'll make your selfies pop, and it's great for video calls too. This camera setup means Samsung isn't just focusing on basics, they're packing in features that meet the expectations of users who care about photography. Even in a budget-friendly device, understanding that different users have different needs, Samsung offers the M56 5G in multiple configurations. Starting with a 6GB RAM and 64GB storage model, it's ideal for casual users who mainly stick to messaging, browsing, and occasional app use. But for those who need a bit more power, there's an 8GB RAM with 128GB storage option, providing extra speed and space. And then there's the top-tier version with 8GB RAM and 256GB storage. This model is perfect for power users who like to store tons of media or use their phone for tasks like gaming or multitasking with heavy apps. The device also includes a dual-slot configuration for added flexibility, allowing you to use dual SIMs or expand storage with a memory card. Samsung's attention to memory and storage options here shows a commitment to giving users choices that suit their unique lifestyles, all while keeping things budget-friendly. One of the most exciting things about the M56 5G is its pricing strategy. While Samsung hasn't released exact pricing details yet, rumors suggest that they're aiming to keep it aggressively competitive. This could mean that the M56 5G will be priced significantly lower than other devices with similar specs, making it one of the best value phones in its class. For those looking to pick up this device, mark your calendars for late December 2024 or early January 2025. And, with the holiday season around that time, Samsung might even roll out special offers, making this release an even more attractive buy. So, there you have it, the Samsung Galaxy M56 5G in all its glory. This device doesn't just check the boxes, it fills in gaps that many budget phones leave open. From a stunning display and robust battery life to a camera setup that's more than just for show, the M56 5G is making waves for good reason. Samsung has clearly listened to what users want, and the M56 5G could well become the go-to choice for those seeking premium features without a premium price. If you're as excited as we are about this device, don't forget to subscribe for more insights on the latest releases and stick around for more.